Working on a farmhouse. Today is June 27th. Took out this wall between the bathroom and the bedroom and started framing it out. The top and the bottom plates are in. I just need to buy more studs. This is actually gonna need 7 studs. And I mapped it out where the bathroom fixture is going to be approximately. This is the baseboard heater there. Toilet's gonna be somewhere around here, probably right there. This pipe is gonna go away. The vent pipe's gonna go into the wall, and then the new sink is gonna be here where the bathtub used to be, right under the window. And then here's the bathtub. So coming in from the other bedroom, from the guest bedroom, this is what it's gonna look like. So the door is gonna open this way, and there's the toilet, sink, walkway between, and this is now the master bedroom. The other thing I've been working on is the closets, framing the closets. Again, I have the bottom and top plates for the closet. This one is a closet 2 feet deep, and it's about 45 inches this way, not quite 4 feet. So again, I need to buy studs to frame this out. I calculated 7 studs for this. So there's gonna be I guess there's gonna be a 2-foot door. Just I don't know how that door's gonna be. We'll see. Here's the top plate and bottom plate for the linen closet in the hallway. So the change that I did is I did some strapping between the 2 joists, so I was able to secure that better. I may do another one here. I'll think about that because it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere, but I might have to do some more. So again, for this one, I'm gonna need, I believe, 4 studs. And then for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. 7 studs for this one. So for the small bedroom closet, I had to put in straps so I could put the top plates on. So that's what that looks like. The straps are also 2x4s, and I just put 2 screws on each end to secure them between the joists, and use screws to secure the top plates to those 2x4s. So using 3-inch screws everywhere. So that's where I am. Again, I just used up pretty much all the new studs that I bought. I didn't buy enough. I bought only 20, so I already used that up. And I had a bunch of old studs that I took out, but most of it used up for smaller pieces, and they're not long enough, any of them, to make a stud out of it. So I need 7 here, 7 there, 7 there, so that's 21. And then I'm gonna need 1 more here to make this doorway. That's 22. And I figured I need 4 for this guy here, so that's 26. I probably just gonna end up buying like 30 just to be on the safe side. And I still have some leftovers here and there, and what I'm gonna use that for is to put fire blocking between all the studs on the side. I'm gonna put fire blocking all the way across as far as I can, and whatever is still a gap, because the 2x4s only cover part of it, obviously. I have a small piece to show. Let's go on the other side. So, because the 2x4 is not really a 4, it's more of a 3.5. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put it in flush. I think what I'm gonna do is put it flush toward the front of the studs, just like this. And then I have a 1/2-inch gap that I can foam spray. And that will make the most sense for everybody. So that's gonna be about the floor level. Probably I'm gonna be toe screwing most of these in. So all these little pieces that I have left over will be used for that. And hopefully I'll have enough. So that's what it looks like right now. The other thing I've been working on is replacing this kitchen door with a window. So far I took off the trims and I can see the old shiplap has this metal blue grayish paint on it. That's the original siding of the house. So, and then it has this felt paper on it, whatever this is. That's why I have all these nails in the wall coming through. All these big nails coming through because that's what they added to as a wrapper, I guess. So I started cutting some of the wood. Like this original wood's gonna serve as a replacement. Looks like it's used to be not a door here because that stud coming down used to continue here, you can tell, and it was cut off here and then it was sistered with this other stud. So definitely it's not original, this door. It was added on later. So I'm just putting this stud back the way it used to be. And from there on, I think it should be easy, fairly easy to just frame it out for the new window. And again, I just need more studs and more time. And the window is not coming on until mid-July. So hopefully the plumber will be here on Monday to take a look at the plumbing and see what that's gonna take for us to replace all this junk. And especially because I want to have the pipes in the wall, not taking up extra space here. So hopefully we can have like a 3-inch pipe in the wall. I don't know. If anything else, at least we need to take it all the way to the corner and taking up as little space as possible if it's doable. I don't know. I have not measured this space here if a 3-inch pipe would fit. Let's just see. Because these things cannot be taken down, these straps. So you could potentially squeeze in a 3-inch pipe. Is the 3-inch pipe 3-inch outside or inside? That I don't know. But at any rate, this is gonna be definitely, if I have to frame the wall out and lose some space here behind this door, I think that's fine. We'll have to do what we have to do to make the plumbing work. That's where we are. So see you next time.